2024 Audi S3 with can immobilisation with gearbox lock on it. Allows you to start your vehicle, but it won't allow you to select a gear until you enter your PIN code. Auto arming, so the system auto arms each time you leave the vehicle. With the ignition off and open the door, the system arms, and when you get back in the vehicle you need to disarm the system using a sequence of button pushes pre-programmed by ourselves to disarm the system. Once it's disarmed, you'll get an acknowledgement flash on your main beam warning light, and then it'll allow you to select a gear. So I'll show you that. So if I select a gear now, okay, so let's just go excuse me, let's just go forwards and backwards. Okay, put it back into park. Now, so if I turn the engine off, if you see when I open the driver's door, there we go, you get a couple of flashes of the main beam warning light there. That's telling us the system's instantly armed. So we start the vehicle now, and so it still allows us to start, which is ideal to cool your car down in the summer, warm it up in the winter, knowing that it can't be moved. So if I try and put it in gear, you see it just hops back to neutral every time, won't let you select a gear. Okay, so we need to put the code in. So if I put the code in using our push button sequence, 4 pushes, flash there on the main beam warning light, and then we can go into drive. There we go, this time it's let's select gear, in reverse, let's let us select reverse. That's it. I say auto arming, disarming via unique PIN code, safe and secure, 2024 Audi S3.